Hello guys, and I hope so you all are doing really well. So today I'm super excited to share an amazing product with you, and it's the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. And this one has changed my hair care game forever, like literally forever. Just look at the premium packaging, guys. It's bottle and it's so chic, and you just get a fine and premium feeling even looking at it. And it has got a pump which aids you in its application. So talking about this one, it's so much raved about internationally, and I'm so glad that it has finally launched in India, and I just couldn't keep my hands off it, and I just needed to give you all a review about it. It comes as a surprise that although it's an oil-based serum, this is completely lightweight and non-greasy. It's better than any hair serum I have ever tried, and I have to say that this one has given me the hair transformation which I have always needed. Talking about the ingredients of this product, this oil serum is basically a blend of 6 rare flower oils of rose, lotus, chamomile, flax, sunflower and thyme. I'll tell you how this has helped me. I have got really frizz-prone hair, and during humid weather my hair is completely out of control. No matter what I do, I just can't control it. Recently I was facing a lot of hair fall issues also due to untimely routine or stress or exhaustion, whatever it is. Like I was just not able to manage my hair, and then I have always been more inclined towards coloring and hair treatments. So basically I have this chemically treated hair, colored hair, and I was facing hair fall issues, and whether it's dryness, loss of moisture, whatever problems were there, like this extraordinary oil serum has helped me with them. And I tell you the claims, it is for all hair types. This is one thing, because me and my mom, both of us have been trying. She's having wavy hair and I'm having kind of like, sometimes curly, sometimes more frizz-prone hair, and it is helping both of us. I've even suggested this to my sister who is having like super curly hair. So this is for all hair types, and it claims to have a versatile use, extraordinary moisture. I like to use it in my day-to-day routine, like in 2 to 3 ways. First, I like to use it as a detangler, because if your hair is frizzy, you all are aware of the fact that it's really hard to detangle your hair or comb your hair without. So I have this bouncy hair, and I just take a small amount of it and I apply it, and I'm easily able to comb my hair. You just need 3 to 4 drops, that's it. I use it to add gloss or shine to my hair, because sometimes before styling, before like blow drying my hair or straightening my hair, I use it as a hair protectant. Sometimes after the styling. So I'll show you how it's used. You just have to take in like 2 to 3 drops, and leaving your roots, you just have to apply it to the length of your hair till your tips. So it really helps you to seal those split ends, because I have this issue. So I can clearly tell you that it really helps you with sealing your split ends and making your hair look glossy. Like you can just instantly see that difference, that my hair feels more manageable now and it looks more glossy, and even the split ends are less visible. So there are like so many uses for this one bottle of serum. Like you can use it before your curling iron, you can use it for braiding your hair, and I use it in multiple ways. I sometimes use it for a DIY salon treatment at home. I sometimes use it before using my straightening rod, and sometimes I just use it as a defrizzing agent. So let me just show you how I use it before braiding. So you can see my hair right now, and I just take some of the serum, and all I'm doing is I'm just applying it from the length to the tip. So I just make 3 sections. And you can see how easy it is for me to braid my hair right now. Like the application of the serum has sealed my split ends and has removed my frizziness, and there's no detangling over here. You can just see it's my hands are moving very softly and very quickly over my hair. So I've just braided my hair. I like to keep it till here. Like you can just braid it anyway. You can add whatever you like on the end or the tip. You know what I love the most about the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum? The fact is that there are many serums out there, and there are many hair care products which pass out a lot of false claim, and they don't stand to it, and they just tell you that they provide nourishment and all, but they don't. You know, when we get our hair colored, or you go through a lot of treatment or continuous straightening or something like that, it really drives away the moisture from your hair, and it really leads in frizz prone hair, and many people have naturally frizz prone hair, and this one has really stood up to all its claims and has provided me an ultimate solution to go for anything which is included in my hair care regimen. So I use it in multiple ways, and I would definitely suggest everyone else to use it too. So my final thoughts on this product are that, first of all, it claims to protect your hair from sunlight, from UV damage, which is a very big plus point. Second thing, it protects your hair from temperature up to 230 degrees Celsius. Like, my straightener is at 210 degrees Celsius and sometimes more than it, but I really don't try to put in more heat into my hair, so usually it's a medium heat. But it protects your hair up to the temperature of 230 degrees Celsius, and protection from sunlight, making your hair lustrous. If you have got treatments done into your hair, it just improves the vitality and health of your hair by rejuvenating it. And if you are someone with curls, then this product is loved by influencers with curls also. I have really heard about it, and they have raved about it, that how this has really made their hair even more gorgeous looking. Also, it reduces your hair fall by 98%. It's great for humid weather, and it makes your hair smoothen by 87%. I will definitely recommend it because it has given me really fruitful results. It has bared very fruitful results for me, and you know, the price is just ₹4.99, and it's crazy. It's super affordable, it's super budget friendly, and you all should go for it. And please check out the link which is mentioned in my description box, and just go and buy this thing for yourself, because it will do wonders for your hair, and it's for all hair types, so you don't need to worry about whether it will suit or not. And secondly, nothing has worked for my hair with that efficiency before like this one has did. So go and check this out, L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum.